Good morning, all of you. Today we have discussed about the concept of sustainable development. So, sustainable development means the term sustainable development was used by Brundtland Commission, which coined what has become the most often quoted. Then the definition of sustainable development. What is meant by sustainable development? As a development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own foods or to meet their own needs. It is called as the sustainable developments. Means that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. It is called as the sustainable development. Then the sustainable developments is green building. Green building are the structures which are materials, water, energy, and other resources without depletion of natures. Green building generate minimum non-degradable waste. Processes involved in making green building are environmentally responsible and resources effluent throughout a building life cycle. That is, from sitting to design, construction, operation, maintenance, renovation, and demolitions. This requires close cooperation of the design team, the architect, the engineers, and the client at all project stages. Green building take advantages of renewable resources like using sunlight. Sunlight is the best example for the renewable resources. Through passive solar, active solar, and photovoltaic techniques, and using plants and trees through green up roofs, rain gardens, and reduction of rainwater runoff using permeable concrete instead of conventional concrete or asphalt to enhance replacement of groundwaters. In general, green building reduce the overall impact of the built environment on human health and the natural environment by efficiently using energy, water, and other resources, protecting occupant health and improving employee productivity, reducing waste pollution and environmental degradation. Today, India holds a prime position of leadership in energy and environmental design. Certified green building like residential complexes, exhibition centers, hospitals, educational institutions, laboratories, IT parks, airports, government building, and corporate offices. Then concept of green building. The green building concept is gaining importance in various countries including India. These are buildings or facilitated such that waste is minimized at every stage. During the construction and operation of the buildings, which lowers the cost, protects the environment, and make life good. The technological principles used in implemented with the green building involved measure like to prevent erosion of soils, rainwater harvesting, use of solar energy, preparation of landscape to reduce heat, reduction in uses of water, recycling of wastewater, use of world class energy efficient practices. Then goals of green building: seating and structure design efficiency, energy efficiency, water efficiency, materials efficiency, indoor environmental quality enhancement, operations and maintenance optimization. Next, water waste and toxics reductions. This essence of green building is an optimization of one or more of these principles. Also, with the proper design, individual green building technologies may work together to produce a greater cumulative effect. Example of ITC Center, Gurgaon. The ITC Green Center, Gurgaon is a for green building. It was the first platinum rated building in India, and and has endeavored to adopt green practices that go beyond recycle waste and delete officers within a built-in area of 180,000 square feet. The building features alternative transportation facilities, storm water management system, solar thermal technology, reflective high roof paint, minimum exterior lightings, separate smoking rooms with exhaust system and zero water discharge. Then sustainable development therefore is a pattern of economic growth in which resource use aims to meet humans needs while preserving the environment, so that these needs can be met not only in the present but also for generation to come. Sustainable development therefore additional focus on the present generation responsibility to improve the futures generation life by restoring the previous ecosystem damage and resisting to contribute to futures ecosystem damage. Sustainable development ties together concern for the carrying capacity of natural systems with the social challenges faced by humanity. Thence, is the sustainable development is the development that is likely to achieve lasting satisfaction of human needs and improvement of the quality of life, helps the very poorest who are left with no option but no destroy their environment to survive, encompasses the idea of self-reliant development with natural resources, has cost effective development using different economic criteria to the traditional, that is development should not degrade environment, emphasizes important issues of health control, appropriate technologies, food self-reliance, stresses that people centered activities are necessary, human beings are the resources in the concept. According to sustainability is a process which tells of development of all aspects of human life affecting sustenance. It means resolving the conflict between the various competing goals and involves the simultaneous pursuit of economic prosperity, environmental quality and social equity, famously known as three-dimension triple bottom type or triple bottom line, with the resultant vector being technology. Hence, it is a continually evolving process. The journey However, the destination of sustainability is not a fixed place in the normal sense that we are understand destination. Instead, it is a set of wishful characteristics of future system. Then some researchers and institutions argue that the environment is a combination of nature and culture, and have even pointed out that a fourth dimension should be added to the three dimensions of sustainable development. Since these three dimensions do not seem to be enough to reflect the complexity of contemporary society, so the fourth dimension suggested by them is cultural. Then next topic we will discuss tomorrow.